Hello dear students, today I am going to tell you about how to make a synopsis of a project. Firstly, we have to know what is the purpose of making a synopsis. It is generally a summary of the work which you will be carrying out in the time span of your PhD. Your PhD will take more time, but you have to let others know what actually you are going to do during your research, and this can be done through synopsis. There are various subheadings to include in synopsis. First is introduction. Second is previous work done in the similar field or literature review. Third is research proposal including the rationale behind choosing the particular topic. Fourth is objectives of the research. Then research methodology including research design, sampling, data collection methods, tools of analysis which may be used in future. Then you have to mention expected outcome of your research. Then tentative chapterization, how many chapters will be there in your PhD, and afterwards you have to mention about the research papers, thesis, magazines, and many other things, secondary sources of data collection, and they will be included in bibliography. There are certain points to remember while preparing the synopsis. A synopsis can be of 20 to 30 pages, which includes 10 to 15 pages for introduction and literature review both. For rest of the things, you may have maximum 3 pages and can be less than that. You need to have proper understanding of the topic which you are adopting, and for that you will have to do extensive literature survey. But beginners do not understand what and how to use literature already available. In the second point, one very simple purpose of literature review is just see how others have carried out their work. There are many softwares like Mendeley, which is a good PDF organizer in which you can highlight the portions which you would like to refer in future. If you are not very used to such softwares, then you can simply take hard copy of various research papers and then make folder, and whenever you get time, then just highlight the portions which you may want to refer in future. Questionnaire is generally not included in synopsis, but some people do so, but only in the case when they are fully prepared or their guide has permitted them, or various other reasons like delay in RDC in respective university. In such cases, candidates generally have a rough draft of their research which they should finalize after having the RDC meeting, as their topic can get modified or cancelled as well. Thank you students. That's all for today.